Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore health and wellness topics to help you live your best life. In today's video, we're going to shed light on a crucial topic, the everyday foods that might be silently damaging your kidneys. Our kidneys play a vital role in maintaining our overall health, so it's important to be mindful of what we consume. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Excessive salt consumption. First on our list is excessive salt consumption. While salt is essential for flavor, too much of it can contribute to high blood pressure and strain on your kidneys. Processed foods and snacks are often loaded with sodium, so it's crucial to check labels and choose low-sodium alternatives. Number 2. High-phosphorus foods. Next up, we have high-phosphorus foods. Phosphorus is present in many foods, but excessive amounts can be harmful to individuals with kidney issues. Foods like dairy, nuts, and carbonated drinks can be high in phosphorus, so moderation is key. Number 3. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages are a common culprit as well. The high sugar content in sodas and sweetened drinks can contribute to obesity and diabetes, both of which are risk factors for kidney disease. Opt for water, herbal teas, or unsweetened alternatives to protect your kidneys. Number 4. Processed meats. Processed meats are convenient, but they often come with a hidden cost. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats can be high in sodium and additives that may stress your kidneys over time. Consider incorporating leaner protein sources like fish, poultry, or plant-based options. Number 5. Caffeine overload. Now, let's talk about caffeine overload. While coffee and tea in moderation can have health benefits, excessive caffeine intake can lead to dehydration. Chronic dehydration can put extra strain on your kidneys, so be mindful of your caffeine consumption. Number 6. High oxalate foods. High oxalate foods might be surprising to some. Oxalates are compounds found in certain foods that can contribute to kidney stone formation. Foods like spinach, beets, and nuts are high in oxalates. If you're prone to kidney stones, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional about your diet. Number 7. Processed foods with additives. Processed foods with additives often contain preservatives, colorings, and other chemicals that may be hard on your kidneys. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible, and pay attention to ingredient lists to make healthier choices for your kidney health. Number 8. High potassium foods. Moving on to high potassium foods. While potassium is essential for many bodily functions, too much can be problematic for those with kidney issues. Bananas, oranges, and potatoes are examples of high potassium foods. Balancing your potassium intake is crucial for kidney health. Number 9. Refined grains. Refined grains, such as white bread and white rice, can contribute to kidney issues. These foods have a high glycemic index, which can impact blood sugar levels and potentially harm your kidneys. Consider switching to whole grains for a healthier alternative. Number 10. Overuse of painkillers. Last but not least, overuse of painkillers. Certain over-the-counter pain medications, when used excessively, can contribute to kidney damage. Always follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing chronic pain. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 everyday foods in your home that might be damaging your kidneys. Remember, moderation is key, and if you have any concerns about your kidney health, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more health-related content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.